Welcome to Instacart's Insights portal, a tool with an ads manager that allows you to access category and customer insights. In this video, you'll learn how to navigate the Insights portal. Let's get started. Start by going to ads.instacart.com and entering your login credentials to access Ads Manager. Once you are logged in, you can navigate to the Insights portal by clicking on the graph icon in the left-hand navigation bar. Under Customer Insights, you will see three tabs: Sales and Share, Save Reports, and Uploaded. The Sales and Share tab is where you can view sales, units sold, and market share for your brands for the past 2 years. The Saved Reports tab is where you can access previous reports you have created, and the Uploaded tab is where you can find monthly custom reporting. Monthly reports will only appear for qualified advertisers. If you don't see this tab, contact your sales representative if you'd like more information about how to qualify. Thanks so much for watching, and tune into our other videos to learn about how to build, save, and export reports.